Hello, welcome back to our class today. Today we're going to talk about the interquartile range, initially under quartiles. Now we're having a question here. They say 7 students sit a test. Here are the results. So find the median. So when you're asked to find the median of a given set of data, you're supposed to arrange the given data in ascending order. That means you start from the smallest to the largest. Now when you look at the given set here, you're having 58, 61, 64, 66, 67, 68, and 70. So we're going to arrange this data in ascending order, whereby we're going to start with 58. So when you arrange this one in a ascending order, we're going to start with 58, followed by 61, followed by 64. When you look at this data, is already arranged in ascending order, so you're not going to arrange it again in ascending order. It's already arranged. Now what you do, we have the formula of finding the median, which is we usually have the lower quartile, which is Q1, the median, which is Q2, and then lastly the upper quartile, which is Q3. Now Q2, which is the median, is usually given as 1/2 into n plus 1, whereby n is the set of the number of values or scores we're having here. So you're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we're going to have 1/2 into 7 plus 1, which is 1/2 multiplied by 8, which gives us 4. So this shows that our median, or our Q2, is going to be in the 4th position. So you count first one, second, third, and 4th. So our median is going to be 66%. That is the median score. Now when you talk of the lower quartile score, the lower quartile, which is Q1, is given as 1/4 into n plus 1. We know that n is the number here, and we're having 7 scores. So it's going to be 1/4 again multiplied by 8. So we have 1, we have 2. This gives us 2. So this means that our lower quartile is in the 2nd position. So the first one, then the second one is there. So our lower quartile becomes 61%. Then when you look at the upper quartile, which is now Q3, is given as 3/4 into n plus 1. It's going to be 3/4 into or multiply by 12 again. You know that 4 goes here 1 and into 12 3 times, so 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So that means our upper quartile is in the position number 9. Sorry, there's a mistake here. Initially, our n was 7, so you're going to have 3/4 multiplied by 8. So 4 here 1, 4 here 2, so this becomes 6. So that means our upper quartile is in position number 6. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that means our upper quartile is 68%. Now lastly, we are being told work out the interquartile range. Now the interquartile range, which is also known as the IQR, is given as the upper quartile take away the lower quartile. So this means that our IQR is going to be the upper quartile, which is 68%, take away the lower quartile, which is 61%. This gives us 7. So our interquartile range is going to be 7. Now there's a difference between the interquartile range and the range, whereby the interquartile range is usually the difference between the upper quartile and the lower quartile, while the range is usually the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value. So thank you for your time. Kindly like, subscribe, and also share. Goodbye.